Hello and welcome. This is Abdul here with my first video tutorial in this series, Moodle Site for Managers MS4M course. Today I'm going to take you through the Moodle Site for Managers website and how you can log in as a guest and what features you are going to come across as a guest. So this is the site we are just going to explore. So we have got all these titles on the top. So we have login icon, courses icon, about the founder, donate, the language selection, all these things are there. And at the right and extreme right hand, we have the login, again one more login button here. And on the left, on the extreme left, we have a home button, and below that we have a calendar icon. So these are the things we find here. Let's see what happens when we click the login button. And when we click this login button, we have to give the username, password like that. So also you can also log in. We can also get logged in using this thing. So we have login using Google or Facebook. So if I'm going to log in using these things, I will be logging in as manager. So let's see what happens when we click the other login button. And when we click this button, this login button, we have some other options. We can find some other options. So as usual, we find the username password option. Below that we have login as a guest. So this is what we are going to explore right now. And further below we can see Google using, you can get logged in using Google as the manager, or we can also get logged in using Facebook ID. So let's click the guest button here. So I'm going to log in as a guest, so I don't have to produce my credentials here, just I'm logging in as a getting in as a guest. So when we get logged in as a guest, we have the home button takes us to the home page. This is the home page, landing page, and below that we have the calendar. Yeah, this is the calendar. We can schedule, we can find details about courses and all those things here. Maybe we can find what course. Let's see what happens when we click one button. For example, 18. Let me click Wednesday, July 1, 8 a.m. Site event, opening of manager of Moodle site, free online. So all the scheduled items can be found here. Okay, so this is the thing that we are going to explore here in this section. So again, we can go back to home by clicking this. So right now we are again back in the landing page. Okay, now we can also explore the courses. So these are the courses right now available right now. There are many courses. We can find many courses on the site, MS4M site. And we have categories here, practice courses, all categories. So we can click all categories, sort A to Z. Okay, so these are the courses. Okay, so now we have main courses, no courses, my courses. So these are the courses. Suppose I design a course, I offer a course of my own, it will be shown here. So far I haven't uploaded any courses for this site, so it is blank. So we can find courses available here, designed by others, floated by others. So this is the course we are right now doing, manager of a Moodle site. Let me click it. So when we click this course, we can find details like how many people have been enrolled for this course. So 26 students. Student completed, nobody has completed it so far. 15 in progress, 11 yet to start. These are the statistical details, data that we can find. Overview of the course. This is the overview section. This is a collaborative course. Members will receive manager rights of the site. So these are the details of the course. Okay. Administrators and managers of a Moodle site have similar rights and in as indicated by the following list. So this is the long list of rights available for managers, migrate framework. So these are all technical things that we can get expertise in. We can get the skill in manipulating all these things. Okay, so below that, overview of the course, manager of a model site, overview of the course. This is the overview of the course. So we can also click links from here on as well on the left. So all these things are listed on the left panel as well. MMS, okay, MMS can be found. MMS also found here. Multilingual model site. MOMS, MOMS, MOMS users. Again, we can find MOMS users here. We can find MOMS users there. So navigation is really very easy with these two-way entries. Team, okay, team topic, team test evaluation. This is the topic we have decided to finish. So we have decided to form a team for team testing platform. So possibly we'll be doing it in the coming days. MOMS users, we can find the users of the course. So all these things can be viewed. Team, MOMS users. So all these things can be explored when we log in as a guest. And let's see what happens. We have other icons. So we got the founder. So you can see the details of the founder. The founder is none other than Dr. Nelly Dosh. So whenever we think about Moodle for teachers, we think about Dr. Nelly Dosh, a veteran teacher dedicated for the development of Moodle for teachers site. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. So donate. Okay, suppose you want to donate for this. This is actually an event, a platform that is being built to help to support teachers across the world. So whenever we donate something, it will be a great support for the team, for the whole effort, for the whole effort that they are putting into this great great project. Okay, so these are the things we can find when we log in as a guest. Okay, let me click this. So we have a button here, and when we click it, we can see to the left panel, and on this left panel we have some other details as well, but I think being a guest we won't be able to explore that much from this site, being a guest. Okay, now let me see what happens. Donate, contact. So these are the things that we come across when we get logged in as a guest on on this site Okay, fine. Available courses, we can see what are the available courses. These are all the courses that we can explore. So go back to the home landing page. So these are all the things that we come across on Integrating Technologies or ORG site. So we can wind up this video tutorial. I'll be coming back with my second video after this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.